Subabi koso.
Right.
Krum ha. We minim say efa wo ho esi jai.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to use myself as an example. I won't go far. I won't go and conjecture use anybody a yibi akokwa. College am to Adaroma. Me starting chef in November ebe.
Yeah.
Right? Me dey be am kind of say me ya analysis a me mpe conjecture innuendos we say there be akokwa hwade. Ye na analysis no. 10th November. 10th November. Na menya 5 years. About 2020. Ben nam love fema brabo. So time akokwa tie some make me you know. This is me. November will be 32.
Yeah.
Okwa me ben na ma na jantwa wo ma ye pon mama me 200. 100, 200, 100, 200, 100. Now see I'm a senate buy and I'm a cover document akokwa minya me full employment status. Ye ka full employment just say abantua was senate e obi bia man in 2021. Ama HR. At the letter na me 20th something. Then na me sign February me pay by.
Yeah.
Team ye. February na me pay by. Me question am senate no 2021. I wish I could have projected it, but my lawyers told me say me personally I shouldn't project it. Akwa na 11. Subsequent months na 12, 12. But to share 11 months no some total na 12 na. The value is the same.
Right.
Tina say multimedia, which is a private entity, 11 months, do I sign my contract somewhere 20th, almost at the end of the month, you know, they paid my salary, they paid my senate.
Yeah.
Akokwa, o the enfane say me sign my contract na 20th, gram nim say I brought 20th for there. Then na etie no bit ma correct me, on correct me. 20th to February, just about 10 days. The private sector, the private man has been able to found a system that when the staff is enrolled in just clear 11 days, with me to the car, it you the social security, it you the provident fund there. Akokwa, let nobody try and rationalize this nonsense. San ya go state institutions no. San ya go state institutions no. Akokwa, look at our police. Omo bae, omo ye bibi anya akoka. Oh, let the law work. Let the law work. Let the law work. Ni defend it. MPP ko kakrom ni bi ye o. Muso ma start kem. Mama ma da easy. The same thing. Bibi o be bi ye. 4 good years, a geographical area didn't have a representation in parliament. We had people defending that nonsense in this country. 8 months in opposition. Drawing news speaks to the chief executive of the then government, now opposition party, or say, Mahama Beyne the Crown to me in Kabibia.
Right.
That's why I've always told you that when you are doing advocacy, stop your silly politics. And let's fix our state institutions.
Yeah.
Why is it normal? Say, you just say to let's sign a contract 20 years.
Within the shortest possible time, I deny article.
Not just my salary, my senate is paid.
Yeah.
But you never fool me teacher ni. Akokwa. You never fool me nurse ni. 6 months na pay my.
6 now okay.
And I say normal.
Almost a year. And these people.
They go for the start me back. Go for the time be and then people name. I don't care about Kufuor. I don't care about Mama. I care about the life of this young girl. Akwa ye ni abetra radio so ni pontificate na obekọ sori na adama bo okay what the correction tin are okay no
ni say blame omo and a girls you know omo ye say no boys
no man for 20 chabet and nya later who okay tin akasa no then we pontificate about morality but meanwhile we are putting our young women through this it o man no no need it na mama if any there is more customers no
yeah.
Because of the so that Bobo are losing continue.
Yeah.
Akokwa na obia ya juma 10 months into you want to do you are a very stupid person.
And you know what some of these nurses go through.
What is this?
Especially omo.
I see me
Facebook.
Na me pay a comment na ma.
Yeah.
I made a Facebook post I think about 2 months ago. You see, I get agitated about these things because I don't want to do these numbers. The last time I checked the Ghana Statistical Service, the average salary someone gets as a public servant in Ghana is just around 2,500. Okay, I'm from any analysis no be TB. Okay, baby am me ma say me 2 bedroom na wosoro baby na me ti odo man say na me 2 na me tua 300 400 Ghana cedis a month akokwa ma say 300 ma say document abrabo o tua 300 a month o te diso kwan so baby no ba take hospital e dey ma say lawyer fee even 20 Ghana cedis akokwa a month na say e 600 Ghana cedis when boot to know me we cut out 600 Ghana cedis
enu na frim
oba ne pa de mai we e be ma o ge bejewu
na okwa wunidi
wa wo kwa da be ma sore wo be pe ba bi di afa ntu be fa ge ne bejewu we mebre me I'm a breadwinner at our ages and the way African system is we school am no papa mo no you am and I go even post one colleague be our track like they no Covota region baby papa no be na crap person san na da what is wrong with us it's a go 600 though can a transportation month be a travel man say 900 Ghana cedis for electricity ni water bill ka ho e say we data mai akokwa obeto pad obeye wuti oba beto rolom ya ye wayi kakra and you see we normalize these things and rationalize on the auto politics. What is wrong with us? Say you have a normal say public sector na obey adwuma 3 months you diauka
ebi kura bro na eko
me do want me tell that see the sad reality is that I've always said is that we the youth of this country my teachers all their lives they will not get anything like Article 71.
Right.
Which doctor in this country who became a politician or which politician in this country didn't pass through the hands of a teacher? Before the day you are sworn as member of parliament, less than 3 months, you are given a loan facility to buy a car.
Now you ask yourself why.
Pardon me.
Right.
We able to have a system where we buy a loan facility be a council of state. But when you then because of stupid politics, because of myopic thinking, because of inferiority complex, you defend such nonsense. I'm not a teacher, I'm not a nurse, I earn more than they earn. But I myself fellow feeling. I work with 10 solid months, so 10 months. You do one nurse in the bofu or board rep on the bofu. Let's do that. I was happy I'm a TA. Ampem, the MP for Swijaman, or said by the Sumer Western, they should go beyond that. Her public accounts committee. We can't say, Obi a woo, the rest and the be only 1 year, then 26 months, then the pay call. That's as a 4 pay call 10 months.
This is some of the public servants, no, only a corrupt, crouching politicians. I'm telling you, Eugene. 26 months, I call Obi a woo, is it a Tamensa on MP for Etiwa? I want to bob now, sir. Ebusan, okay, Yenny also could. What's that? Yet 26 solid months. Not just a 10 months, the pay call. Then you see people defend such nonsense. I'm quite afraid you guys are major bears. I don't mean them. I can't stop back some of these things. Let's stop it. And papa, and President Mahama, the term we is a legacy term. He retreated what he said in the UN. He need to fix some of these things. It is not proper. Anything that the Biam and the President Kufuado come. Okay, GB Papa Nasamo Kaya Boa say Ghana car, they say how many people fly? Passing to 10. You find a passing do or crab 10. Africa what 10 the party saying, or VIP to pay. Or any panel. The Ghana car should be about travel. Let's do proper ministers. Who want the data? From SHS. Why should you need my data again? Why should I come and validation? Maybe validating the name. What is that? Ghana card economy biometric. Ghana and Kwana Senate biometric. Ghana card biometric. Driver's license biometric. Let's harmonize all these systems and get people their due. We pay bad abay. Me I go for another third. Me dey ba. And fourth. The media ba Saturday na media ba Monday. Right.
Akwasa. Nyaka mutu nkotofu asa. Akwa nyaka.
Ebesa. Sika no de.
Ye say a jacket you akra eba no. Eba on time kra no. Ya bra bo mu tesen. Na obi akọ 10 months.
10 months. Better pad. E man no kra de ya.
Akwa too much. Too much. I say you tell me emotions. I say do Ghana ni so na me catch obi. Nancy and he discuss tax waivers. You bruni on the business buy. I need who play kuku. I can't hear kuku at here. kuku ni akwa approve man ba gardening your colleague Justice Baby joining obi a company month na Nhyira ba so mo betu on file taxes ba broni ya ba man as de bia ya person Ghana ni ho kire sem card registration airline Ghana I don't know why you always want to see our countrymen and women suffer. Say be you say bibi wo I just can't comprehend it. Anya papa let nobody rationalize akokwa yentu amuka ti ye hwe ni yentimi nya necessary school na kan ye hunu too much as they say nursing course we call it 3 years as a degree na aye no 4 years so ba be 3 years ko na 1 year demonstration adai eti atunu ntimi a school ni akere so monye course ye hunu
amugusu akre biebi
ye ngudo it's too much
amugusu ebebre
akwa on the lighter side of life
okay you bet me 5 minutes every na
yes
okay